Welcome to my channel! Welcome to my vlog. Ayan. We have another video, another panty haul na pods. Of course, I have a new panties here, bikinis, and I am very happy to show you guys because it just arrived actually. And I like the colors. Ayan. I have here three, diba? 3 pairs. 1, I really like this one. Ayan, 2 and 3. So, tatlo siya, guys. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe, okay? And comment below. Like, ayan. Thank you very much. So, simulan na natin to. So, let's watch, guys. Comment below, guys, if you like the color to me, like your favorite color or which one is better, like that. Comment, okay? That is important also, you comment, so I know, and I will buy again on my next video. What color do you like? Okay, so this one, guys, ayan, is orange. Actually, parang light orange siya. I really like this one. May isa akong nabili na pink before, and then hinanap ko talaga siya kasi this is requested design. Doon may nag-message sa akin na he like the pink color, that was pink. Okay, ito siya. So fitness ako kasi free size. Oh no, this is large large siya, and napakaganda, right? Napakaganda ng detail niya, diba? With black. Simple lang siya, but it's really nice. Very comfy also, ayan. So, good quality also siya. Actually, okay. Maganda siya kasi mag-fit talaga siya sa'yo. Okay, so yung next naman, this one, guys, is light purple. Purple ni siya, ha. Light colors lang. Ito, mga light colors, di ay ni siya. So, this is purple. Makita mo naman, guys. It's very nice. Ayan. Makita nyo, ito. Large. Ayan, large po. Kasi isang pack ito eh. I bought this one in the TikTok shop. Okay. So, maganda rin ang quality, of course. Ayan. And, yeah, it's large. Makita nyo naman, guys. It's very, very nice. Ayan. Very nice yung color niya sa skin ko, right? I really like this ribbon actually. Yeah. Maganda. Parang excited. I am very excited to wear this. Ayan. Kasi actually I really like the most yung panty or bra that there is ribbon. Parang ribbon kasi I like it. So this one, so maganda niya, no? This one is light gray naman siya. So this is light colors, okay? Gray. Same po siya dari. And then yeah, large din siya. So huwag na natin patagalin to. Let's wear na. Ayan, ang ganda, oh. It is very, very nice. So let's go. Suot na natin to siya, guys. Okay. So guys, ito nga yung light orange. Ayan, orange ba? Or parang ako, light orange or light pink. Basta ito siya, guys. Ang cute. Look. It's very cute also dito. Ayan. Maganda siya. Very comfortable to wear. And yeah, it's very, very nice also. I like it actually. Ito siya yung, ayan o. Diba? Bagay siya. I really like it. It's fit to me. Tumaba yata ako. So, ayan. Sunod naman natin ng iba. I like this ribbon. Guys, this is the second, bikini. Parang ang maliit. This one is small actually. It's small. It is not same. This is not same. So, I think tanawa na good. Oh. This is small, guys. Parang sira na ganito siya. Oh. Because it's small talaga and it's too much fit. Yan lang guys, kaya baka maputol na ni ha. Oo, ganyan lang. Sana yung isa malaki. Hindi. This is very small guys. That's it. Oh, very small sa kuha guys. It's not fit. Hanggang dyan lang yan. And hindi siya, it's not ano talaga fit. Masisira na yung pant. It will be ano, spoil if I keep wearing. This is very small. Ayan. Tanawa na God. Very small siya. Ayan. So, kaya maliit talaga siya. Masira siya. Yung isa lang talaga yung kasha. This one is really, yeah. Very small. Very fit. Na. Okay. I hope you like the video. Like and subscribe everyone. And comment.